Howdy guys, it's Jimmy. Welcome to my channel. We got a great video for you guys today. Unboxing the HomePod Mini. Comparing it to my current UE Boom 3. Will I return the HomePod Mini? We don't know. We're gonna check it out. Before I get started, make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And let's get this video started. I've been using the UE Boom 3 for the last 6 months. I got it on sale for $100. I am a big portable speaker, Bluetooth portable speaker fan because I grill outside a lot in the garage working. I like to keep music going. And when I saw that the HomePod Mini was coming out and it was $100, I was like, you know what, I'll give it a chance. If anything, you got 2 weeks to return it to Apple. So I figured I'll go ahead and give it a shot. And I'm going to determine whether I should use it to replace my UE Boom 3 or whether it's not. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it here for you guys and do a little sound comparison with non-copy strike music. So I'm going to go ahead and play some, see what you guys think. One bad thing about having the white one, I wanted the black one, but I actually got the last white one in stock and there was no more black one. They were out of stock. Reason why I don't like the white one, someone like me that keeps my UE Boom 3 in white outside, is that it starts getting dirty and you could actually see how it looks like there's like little just scuffs around from it getting dirty, thrown around. So it's just the white, it looks nice, it looks clean until it starts getting dirty from your hands touching it, grilling outside. One of the downfalls to this, but I do love this UE Boom. It's very loud, good bass. And the speaker, I believe it's almost a 360 music design, which I believe is what this HomePod Mini is, since it's a little ball. So I'm excited to give this a chance. If I don't like this, then I'll be passing it down to someone else. Let's give it a shot. So let's go ahead and unbox it first. Here's the HomePod Mini. This box is pretty basic. It's just a basic Apple box. I don't know much about this. I literally just saw there was one left. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and get it. I usually like this, that it's smaller, like in width, because I could just prop it up against like the windowsill or anything really. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, garbage. It's gonna go ahead and slide out. Ooh! Damn. It looks so weird. I think I just kind of like, wow. This is so small. OMG. And then the cable, it is a USB-C cable. There's your comparison in size. And it looks like the bad thing about this, I guess, is gonna be that unlike this, it's not Bluetooth. So there's a big downfall already. They're trying to make it more like a smart speaker, and that's a big thing. This has a very decent battery life on here. Let's see, what does it say? 15-hour battery life. Now that's pretty crazy, because I'm pretty sure you can connect this to Wi-Fi and then your phone won't have to be in range. You don't have to worry about dying. So this could be good. Someone like me leaving it in the garage, like I mentioned, I could actually put it in the garage or wherever, but that's nuts. I don't know if it could replace my UE Boom 3 anymore. That's a big thing I didn't even take into consideration. What else do we got in here? Paperwork. Did you get an Apple sticker with this one? Let's see. Oh, you do. Apple sticker, nice. And your 20-watt power brick. So you could just buy this bad boy and use it for your, use any other brick, USB-C brick for this one, and then you could use this for your iPhone 12 Pros. That way you don't have to go pay $30 for one of these. So very good to see that at least they included this. They're not going too green. I have finally set up the HomePod Mini. Very easy process. It's very much like an AirPod. When you open up the case, it opens up to the nearest iPhone, and then you just go ahead and set up a pair once it's powered on, of course. Very easy process, and then you could just port in all your settings if you want to use Siri and have it recognize your own voice. So immediately I can tell that it's a very simple setup process. You don't need an app or anything. Now this does have an app. I don't use it because you can check the battery life by when it's connected through your phone through Bluetooth. So obviously this doesn't have a battery life, so no need to worry about that. So I did like the very simplistic setup of this HomePod Mini. Now I have some non-copy strike music. I'm gonna go ahead and start it. It's at 50%, and here it goes. All right, now I'm gonna turn it up to max volume. So far I can tell it's very clear, very clean. The bass, I could feel the bass coming through. It fills up this whole room, so it's very loud. Very clean. It's not like muffled sounded, so it is very good. So let's go ahead and try it now on the UE Boom 3, 50% volume, and let's give it a go. Sounds very clean, very good. Now let's try to go full volume. Wow, that's so they were both at 50 and then 100%. Honestly, I'm not going to use Siri, so I'll let you guys be the judges of what you guys thought. Me, I'm going to stick with my UE Boom. Sometimes I take this to the backyard. You gotta have to be close to a plug-in. You're not going to be able to run it on battery life, and that's the kind of the expectation that I had. So I went in it with the wrong idea. I was thinking, oh, I'm going to use it as like a portable Bluetooth speaker, because that's what I thought it was like. It had like a battery life. I'm a little disappointed. I think it sounds very good, but this UE Boom 3 costs the same, and it has the same loud. It's louder. It's clear, so about the same. Couldn't tell a difference right away. And this has a very long battery life of 15 hours. I'm really not too crazy about this. I can't see myself using it for just Siri. Like, I know Apple's trying to attack the smart speaker segment. I use Google Home in my house to monitor my security cameras and connect through, you know, watch a YouTube video on my home, on my Google Home hub. So I don't think that Siri's not at the level of a Google Assistant. If they made this speaker, it's nice, but they should have made it a Bluetooth portable type of speaker, because a lot of people aren't going to just use a HomePod Mini and want to just plug in all the time. I think I want it more for the portability and battery life attached to it. And I get it, you can move it around your house and unplug it, but then you got to look for a port, and the easy usability of this with battery life. You can move this around anywhere, just bring it with. Don't have to worry about having it plugged in all the time. So I thought it, you know, I really do like the sound of this, but this is still better, louder. I'll probably go ahead and return this HomePod Mini. Don't get mad at me that you got one and you love yours. It's fine, it's a really good speaker. Siri is not the Google Assistant, so I think it should have been more like a portable Bluetooth speaker. For now, these both at $100. I'm a huge fan of the UE Boom 3, and I'll definitely be keeping it. Disappointed that the HomePod Mini wasn't Bluetooth. I think it takes away a lot of the usability of the HomePod Mini. I hope you guys like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you guys think.